In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up classes in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have class tracking turned on and know exactly where to start creating your list of classes for better reporting. Classes are great for slicing your financials by department, line of business, funding source, or any custom segment you want to monitor. You'll need admin or company settings access to make these changes. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. This is the hub for company preferences and list management. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This area controls how your books behave across features, forms, and reporting. In Account and Settings, select the Advanced tab on the left. This is where QuickBooks keeps the power user options that affect categorization and tracking. Scroll to the Categories section, click Edit to expand it, then turn on Track Classes. While you're here, you can also turn on Track Locations if you plan to compare results by locations alongside classes. Enabling both now ensures your forms and reports will display the extra fields where you need them. When you enable classes, QuickBooks will offer an assignment preference. You can apply one class to the entire transaction or assign a different class to each line item. Choose what matches your workflow. For example, if you split expenses across departments on a single bill, assigning by line is usually best. If most transactions belong to a single department, assigning by transaction keeps things simpler. After making your selections, click Save so the changes stick. Then close out of Account and Settings when you're done. Now that class tracking is on, return to the Settings gear icon. This time, select All Lists. Lists are where you manage your chart of accounts, products, and in this case, your classes list. Click Classes to open it. This page will be the central place to organize the segments you want to report on. To begin building your structure, click New. This opens the form where you'll create your first class. From here, you can start defining the categories that reflect your business, such as departments, programs, or product lines. Consider a consistent naming convention and think ahead about whether you want a simple flat list or a hierarchy with parent and subclasses for cleaner reports. That's it. You've enabled class tracking, navigated to the classes list, and opened the new class window so you can start organizing your reporting exactly the way you need.